Lewis.
And I'm Louis.
We're going to show you what we've been doing in room 2 this term.
Sit back and enjoy.
This term we have been learning about the weather. We documented to show you about our learning journey. How
And why
has the
weather
change? I know that there are 4 seasons in a year: winter, summer, autumn and spring.
In summer the days are longer.
The sky is blue and the sun is hot. In winter the days are shorter. The sun is a star and is very hot.
Hi, my name is Ben and this is my KWL. K stands for what I know, W stands for what I want to know, and L stands for what I've learned so far. I want to find out how clouds are formed. I'm sticking my questions onto the class wondering wall.
I am using my skimming and scanning skills to find weather words in this article.
I am brainstorming all my weather words into a mind map.
The water cycle. Evaporation is when the sun heats up water in rivers or lakes or the ocean and turns it into vapor or steam. The water vapor or steam leaves the river, lake or ocean and goes into the air.
Condensation is when water vapor in the air gets cold and changes back into liquid, forming clouds. Precipitation occurs when so much water has condensed that the air cannot hold it anymore. The clouds get heavy and the water falls back down to the earth in the form of rain, hail, sleet or snow.
When water falls back to earth as precipitation, it may fall back in the oceans, lakes or rivers, or it may end up on land. When it ends up on land, it will either soak up into the earth and become part of the groundwater that plants and animals use to drink, or it may run over the soil and collect the oceans, rivers or lakes where the cycle starts again.
I'm looking up on the internet to find some information about my question: why can't we see thunder? We're looking in books to help find out our answers for our questions.
We were looking in the library to find information about the weather. I'm using the internet to find information.
Emailing an expert to help me gather information for my question.
When we print them off, we highlight the main facts.
And then we put it into our own words so everyone can understand.
Here's a wee trick. You tear this off your phone book. It's nice and impressive, isn't it? And just to let the army or the police know that you have evacuated from your house, you pop that in your lounge room window facing the streets, and then when the police come past, they can see that in your window and they know that you have evacuated already.
The more droplets of water there are in a cloud, the darker it looks. I found some information about lightning. Lightning is an electrical spark jumping between the clouds or from a cloud to the ground.
I found some information on tornadoes and how they get their spin. It's when cold air and hot air chase each other around
and form the funnel shape.
Our class is making our own survival kits, and this one's mine, and I put in a compass.
I put in cat food. I put in canned food.
I put in some water.
I put in a radio.
I put in a sleeping bag. I put in some clothes.
I put in a torch and battery.
Next week, Room 2 are going to have our own civil defence emergency.
There will be no power. We will have to build shelter, drink bottled water and eat canned food.
My group has 7.
Yeah!
My group has asparagus.
At the end, we fill in the L part of our KWL, what we've learnt.
On the end of our journey, we reflect using our 6 thinking hats.